Good morning, my YouTube channel. I'm taking my breakfast this minute. Yet no routine activities for this whole day. Come with me. I'm taking my pandesal and my palaman peanut butter, my coffee, and my kadikan, sigarilyo, rental. Single pa ako. Nag-smoke na ako. Pero minimize din. Health is wealth. I have my Facebook, my YouTube channel. My Facebook stops me already. Kasi hindi naman ako sa mga communication nila doon, hindi ako connect. Wala akong alam dyan. Pero ang Facebook ko stop na. I have my own dito sa YouTube ko. Ako to, sarili ko. So, dito na lang ako sa mga activities ko. My purpose sign up. Because that is my purpose to me. Period already mine. So, my YouTube channel, this is Good Morning Philippines World 2 because YouTube channel is kakabulol. Because YouTube channel is international world. Tao. Kung may ihigit pa sa tao, may pupuntahan pa ba sa tao? That's all folks. Stops me already my Facebook. Hanggang dyan na lang yan. Mga ibang tao na yun nandun. And then yung mga connection nila kasi naman yung mga nandyan. Mine, my own, period. So, my routine for today. Yet no routine. Activities. Come with me. My purpose here, kumita ng pera, endorsement, or whatever. Kung meron, kung wala, it's okay. Ay gutom separated mo my PG. That's all folks. What more can I say? Nothing more. Baka lang ma-expire to. Sayang naman. Patay gutom separated mo my PG. That's all.